One more time, good evening mga Agustin addicts! We're from Speedy Network and we would like to introduce yung isang produkto ng Speedy Network exclusively for Mangosteen Coffee. So we would like to introduce, yan. Ma'am, excuse me po. Yan. Ma'am Sarah. Palakpakan natin our President, Ms. Sarah De La Raya. Of course, Director Raya is our consultant. Yung nakikita niyo po sa dulo, excuse po. Yung spotlight pa kaya. Well, anyway, this is our Vendo machine at exclusively for Mangosteen product. Pag nilagyan niyo po ng ibang coffee yan, masisira. May self-destruct po siya.
Ang galing nga.
Yan po yung aming Mangosteen product. Anyway, this model is a 3 canister. Nandiyan na po yung mangosteen na gusto niyo pong ilagay sa loob, either the original, the cocoa sugar, the no sugar, or the green one. Tama ba? The choco. I'm sorry. The choco. So tatlo po yan. However, yung as of now, yung in partnership with, tatlo pa lang ho na canister ang nagagawa. We're thinking of coming out with 4 canisters. So yung 3 canister po yan, pwede nyo na pong ilagay yung produkto ninyo at nasa labas na po niya, we can print it out para sa inyo yung product po na gusto nyong ilagay sa loob. Tapos nakalagay na rin po doon yung amount. Just like in this case, nakalagay na po dito if it is 10 pesos, yung red and the choco, tapos yung cocoa sugar po natin is 15 pesos. But of course, we have to educate yung mga coffee drinkers natin bakit mas mahal yung blue because of the coconut sugar. Yan po. Sino ang target market natin with this? Ang target market natin, lahat po ng opisina. Again, we have to educate all call centers. All call centers who are up until now drinking 3-in-1 coffee without any health benefit. Oo nga, 55 pesos nila nabibili yung 10 sachet. Pero nangangasim naman ang sikmura nila, hindi sila makatulog, gusto na nilang makatulog. With our Mangosteen product, you will never feel palpitation. I'm sure alam niya na po yun. Wala ho kayong mararamdamang sakit sa sikmura. At kung gusto niyo matulog, makakatulog po kayo ng maayos. And of course, not to mention yung antioxidant. Paggising niyo ng umaga, bago kayo pumasok sa opisina, napakagaan ng feeling.